Bonjour. Now you haven't seen me for a little while, have you? Well, I've had a little bit of a cough, but I've been baking this week, so you've seen me pop up a bit on the internet. So I've had lots of messages saying, Mrs. Brown, don't like that anymore. We miss you and we would like to see a tutorial because you've all been watching my cream egg tutorial, which was very beneficial, I might add. So I thought I would give you the pleasure of my company this evening, and I'm going to give you another tutorial. This is a tutorial that will hold you well in life. My words are all a bit muddled up, but you'll know why in a minute. Now, this weekend, I've driven to my boyfriend's, because I've got a boyfriend, and I've got a car. I take the roof off because it was sunny, and I burnt my head. Look at that. That's going to blister and peel, isn't it? Anyway, so I've put my hair like this, so you can't see I'm actually a bronzed beauty, because I don't want you getting jealous. So anyway, I'll get on with my tutorial. A tutorial tonight is going to be a great assistance, and I'm having it for me tea. Here goes. Right, so tonight's tutorial is going to be how to drink a gin and tonic. So, I'll get on with it. What you need to do is get your glass. Johnny's maybe this. Shit, I've just spilled it all over his floor. Can you see I'm in my knickers and a t-shirt? That's my going out outfit on a Saturday night. Right, so you get your gin. Right, what you do is this. Oh, that's lovely. Then what you do is this. Olive. Lovely floor. What you do? You got a cracker. Probably two crackers. And then you have to wash the crackers down with water. Now, you know they put that fruit in. It's not just for effect. You have to eat it.